Hey everyone, welcome to another video. My name is Fiona Sapako, Fiona_SPK on Instagram, and welcome to another video. It's another birthday photoshoot video, and I'm just gonna take you through it. But first, I'm gonna run a few errands to prepare for the day, because as we can see, the hair is not hairy. I want finger waves, and hopefully I can get that, because for the past months I've been bleaching my hair like crazy, except for last month. That's why I have a bit of growth on my hair, but I hope I can be able to get some finger waves and yeah, do my birthday photo shoot. So I'm gonna take you guys through this process, and this time I have a to-do list. Well, I did have a to-do list last year, but it just wasn't written. And now I have a to-do list. I forgot balloons last year, but now balloons are like at the top of my list. So tick 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 tick, my notes are full and ready. Oh yeah, sorry about the noise. I'm in the car. I'm trying to go do something that I'm trying to get into, and you guys will know well in time, of course, because I share everything with you guys. But yeah, so let's go do this. I'm 26, you guys. I'm 26. Wow. Hi, Ratsang.
Hello, sister.
Nah, kako budulu yengate ikara mega mine. What are you doing?
What is the sound again?
Oh wow. White. So I decided that I'm gonna bake myself a cake last minute, and we'll see how that goes. Wish me luck. You guys, this is the only shop where I can find pecans at this hour. And do you see how expensive they are? I'm only getting them because I'm desperate, but hey, bro, this is so fucking ridiculous. I don't want to go to Square Mart, it's way too far. I don't have a choice. I was literally about to give up on the pecans because they're so fucking expensive. And I saw these, so my hummingbird will have a bit of pecans in them. So I just go home now, and I'm so tired. I'm just low on energy because I'm fasting. That's what I'm doing. I'm fasting for weight loss, so I'm a little bit low on energy, and I'm sitting here and thinking, was it a good idea to decide that I'm gonna bake my own cake? I mean, it's 8:30 I think right now. Child, and who the fuck do I think I am? Like, this I be superwoman. But anyway, I'm gonna eat this chicken chow mein and my sizzling beef. Take a minute nap. The thing is, I never sleep. I'm always up till the wee hours, so I know that if I could just rest a bit and then get up and do this, I will do it. I can do it. So, guys, yo. Alright, anyway. Yeah. Good morning, you guys. I did manage to bake my cake last night. I was a little bit tired, but I'm doing it this morning. So, I have my all-purpose white flour, salt, sugar, baking powder, my 3 large eggs, vanilla essence, and cinnamon. I wish I had nutmeg because I've seen some other recipes where they use nutmeg and I wanted to try out that taste. But yeah, those are like some of my ingredients. And then now we're gonna move to my other ingredients. So hold on while I prepare this whole damn thing. Actually, you know what? Let me just... Okay, and then here we have my bananas, my pecans, my pineapple pieces, canola oil, my measuring cup, my Kenwood hand mixer, and then my baking trays, and then this spatula to fold. And I also have, for the frosting, I have cream cheese and icing sugar. I don't have the butter, so when the cake is baking, I'm gonna rush to the store, and then get that. And yeah, let's get baking, guys. Wish me luck. So you guys, I'm here cutting my bananas into smaller pieces so I can put them in here. And while I'm doing this, because the bananas look like this, and I'm like, hey boo, what the fuck is this? Like, what? Guys, did I mention I can't find my measuring cups? Like, what is my plan? Do I plan on fucking eyeballing this? What the fuck, child? Hela, nigger kira di finger with na ba ni woke up looking like this. Guru Zuki. Papadila, I might have to wear earrings. And this hair itches as fuck. So let me go make some disaster because I can't find my measuring cups. Yeah. But it's gonna come out good. Alright, so I have my dry ingredients in here, which is 3 cups of flour, 2 cups of sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, and then 1 tablespoon of cinnamon. So I also sifted the ingredients, you guys. You have to sift to keep out the air bubbles, whatever. Literally, this is what I got from sifting. That it's important to sift. So I'm gonna mix this together, and then I'm gonna come back to you guys again. This is literally in the kitchen right now. I am gonna beat these eggs up. So let's do this. Yo, this cake better slaps, guys. I love it. Like it. Child, look at that drip. Alright, here comes the fun part. I'm gonna throw in these bananas into the batter. Child, and I'm gonna fold them into the batter so they can be properly mixed. Why am I starting to feel like I don't have enough bananas? But then again, it's a heavy cake and I don't want to fill it up way too much. Did I mention it's my first time making a hummingbird cake? Guys. But I think it's enough for me. It's enough for me in all honesty because I don't want it to be too filled and hard to eat. And then my pecans, I'm gonna throw them in here. It's so heavy. And really just make sure that everything is mixed. Like go all the way down there. like, yeah, I gotta get lift the weights at this point. Okay, and then lastly, we're gonna add our pineapple pieces. I don't know if I'm supposed to clean, like, get the moisture out of them, or I should just throw them in here. You know what? It is what it is. We shall see. Get that water. Now, do you guys understand what I mean by this cake is filled? This is what I mean by this cake is filled. Yeah, look at that moisture. Okay. Alright, so we have our baking sheet and then the bottom of my baking pans. I got these pans. This one I got it from Pep. This gold one I got it from, what is it? Is it Pick and Pay? The one that is next to Mr. Price in Upper Junction. That's where I got this one. And then after we done that, we're gonna cut it up and then pour our batter into the baking pans and bake, 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 bake. So they don't spill, because these kind of baking trays, because they are adjustable, you get what I mean, like when you open them they get to spill, they tend to spill, so I don't want them to spill under. That's why I'm putting them on this baking tray and then I'm gonna push it back in there, child. And then we're gonna come right here. It says 25 minutes. So, yeah, me burning the cake, not me. I'm back here with my sister. How cute. This bag. I like the big cushion, this big cushion. The greatest news ever. I'm going to my bra size in APT. As I was saying, if you're gonna get like the proper true size and everything, buy your bras more with like the cups fit perfect, and you can also fit the bras too. We won. These are the balloons that I want, and they are 69 bucks. You see, to fill them, these ones up is 10, and then these ones is 20. So if you fill all of them up, is I think close to 100 and, did they say 20 or 80? Or something like that. Ridiculous. The things we do for our photo shoots. The things we do for our photo shoots. Do you guys know the meme where they're like, the parents are like, yo, when are you giving us kids? Blah 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 blah, and then the guys are like, the best thing we can do is a dog. It's literally me and my sister. But what's like, these things are expensive. Like, the dog is expensive. Like, medical bills. Sorry for the sunlight, guys. Medical bills, food. Literally, it's fucking expensive, and it's all because of her. What about me now? She brought the dog home. Like, as the elevator, it's like the underground bunkers, such a movie. They give me the cringe, literally. The cringe, Vanna. Look at this.
People that I respected saying, you know, I like your work.
You guys, I'm in Selection Mart and I just went to the party site. This is what I found. These numbers, literally for $7.95 each. Do you know how expensive they are? Go to the crazy store. And then they have other options because it's like a party section. I'll give you guys a tour just now. Like what? Don't sleep on these places, guys. Don't sleep on these places. Do not.
And I dated it Thanksgiving 1995. Just before Thanksgiving 1995, I found out that I was going to make $10 million.
Manang dinala tsela kharebe. So embarrassing. My nails had a cut. So this is the situation right now. Let's go and judge it too. You guys, this is my attempt of doing my own nails. Child. I still have this other hand too. Child. Hello, my lovies. We are at Chef Bay's house, and these are her babies. It's Giselle. Hi, Giselle. So if you are a regular subscriber, you know where I am. I'm at my friend's house because she's the cake master, macaron master, food master, everything master. So I came here so she can help me out because I felt like I was about to fuck it up, and I was like, fuck. Let me go to her. And one thing about my friends, they're gonna help the girl. Cause what are friendships for? And I love it when my friends help me out. I love it. Alright, so I don't think I'm gonna vlog much because time is not on my side. I came here, it's late, I think it's around 6:30. So yeah, I'm not gonna vlog much because time is not on my side, but sorry about the lighting. Yeah, but ciao. But we're gonna do the things, and I think I'm just gonna show you the final product because this vlog is gonna be long and I didn't anticipate that. But let's do this, you guys. Let's do this. The way I love saying let's do this, it's crazy.
Crying so much to the poltergeist. So we hold on the love, but it's fast and nice time. Much better light from a falling sky. Fly to the forces above us like keep holding on to this present time. Inspired by the ones that were left behind.
Teacher.
No mistake.
Out of friends like this.
Hey, ma, Yano, tu vas la prosecution.
Are you definitely getting
The
a
first time I'm
prosecco
out here like this.
without failure every time?
Guys,
Hi.
hey, le bone ke motho a ba ya ba re, hey. You don't woke the baby up.
I see your name light up on my phone, but I don't answer. Cause the second I do, I know that my heart is in danger. Oh, this anxiety is killing me. Oh, when you're with me, lose part of me.
Alright, this is my makeup look. I'm going for my photo shoot. It's a helium balloons. My clip is right here. I'll take a proper video soon. Yeah.
Yeah, I got a playlist that makes us sound so romantic. Pretend that it's sweet, so I'm not tasting all the tragic. Oh, this anxiety is killing me. Oh, so full of nervous energy.
Alright, you guys, It's a wrap from me, and it's media.
It's media,
Media
yeah.
level.
Model Hub.
Model Hub.
Model Hub.
The man. We're talking. We just you wait and see. So, right now I'm at Sikara Bed and Breakfast. If you know Musa and the cake it's he gifted me with 2 of those. Death by chocolate because I love his Death by chocolate. His new flavor, the blueberry and popsicle something. So I cannot wait to try that out. And like today, no. When God made me, He rested, and made me. That's why He did. Hey you guys, it's me again. I just wanted to shoot the closing off of this video before I go out for dinner. I'm 26 years old today, 14th of July 2022. My ID expired, so I must just renew because I'm a bigger adult now. But yeah, I'm 26 years old today, and I'm grateful to be alive. I'm grateful for my family. I'm grateful for my friends. I'm grateful for my fans. I'm grateful that you guys always come back here to watch my vlogs over and over again, and I'm so grateful for your support, you guys. So yeah, I'm gonna go out for dinner, and I'm shooting on my iPhone, and we all know the quality is going to be bad. I can't promise that I'll add an extra footage for this because lighting is different, especially in restaurants. They tend to create a mood, and that's not going to be giving. It's going to be a whole lot of video that has a lot of noise. But I'm just so grateful to be alive right now. And yeah, so I don't know what to say. I feel so awkward right now. I don't even know why, but thank you for tuning in, and yeah, that's it. Mwah. Love you guys.
The next day.
Hi guys, so I just wanted to come in here real quick to ask a few questions because I feel like my makeup is starting to become better. The way I do my makeup is starting to become better, and I'm looking at myself on the screen, and I wanted to know if you guys want me to do a get ready with me, or if I were to become a makeup artist, would you guys come and hold on, do your makeup from the girl? Yeah. And do you think it's a good idea? I feel like, yeah. But anyway, what do you guys feel about this orange sunset-y look? Ooh, I need to buff out this, but what do you guys feel about it? But anyway, it's on the 15th. Today's the 15th, the day after my birthday. I am going to 267, and I wanted to do a quick unboxing that I was skeptical to do back in January when I uploaded my video in January when I was from Cape Town. Like some of the things that I bought my stuff from Hydraulics. So I'm just gonna show you my outfit for today. So, well, first things first, I got this as a gift, as a birthday gift. It smells so heavenly, so thank you. And getting to the outfit, I bought this. Oh, what is going on? Okay, I bought this 2-piece. It's patung. Oh yeah, I took it out and tried it on, and then I kind of like abandoned it a little bit, but because I wanted to do my photo shoot with it. So it's iceberg. it was, I don't know if you guys can see, it was 7,990. Go hydraulics. It's a crop top. It's a 2-piece. I'll update you what iceberg is. You know what? Just go Google who. Like, it's a luxury brand. And the other thing that I have, the bottom parts of the pants. Child. The bottom part of the pants is 9,690. This was the it's last season. It was released last year for the winter what. So it's last season, and I felt like, oh my god, winter is approaching and you've not even won this 2-piece. So, and it's my birthday weekend, and it just really felt fitting for me to rock it. And I'm gonna wear these shoes too. So cute. I don't think I'm gonna have time to show you the outfit when I'm wearing, like, because I'm shooting myself, you know, and I'm in a small space. But yeah, so this is what I'm gonna wear, and I'm just gonna, my cab is on the way. I'm going out with my sister. She's already in 267. So right now I'm just gonna try to make this ombre lipstick. My tripod is failing me, child. Why are you going down? But anyway, because my phone is heavy, guys. My phone is heavy. So I'm just gonna I've been feeling this whole ombre brown lipstick lately, and oh yeah, by the way, I bought the lipstick legit, and it's $20. I buy my makeup all over. I don't have a specific place where I buy my makeup, and these earrings were a gift from my friend Tamani. She's also there in one of my vlogs, the funny one where she was talking about her man and we just all died. So yeah, this is me. I think my cab is about to call because I can hear him a bit impatient, and the things we do for content. But anyway, let me do this real quick, and maybe get a one time, guys, because it's a bit time. Look at me stretching my ears, and oh, okay, I managed. Okay, so yeah, ooh. Okay, so I dressed up quickly. I'm just gonna put this on. Ooh, babe. Ooh, expensive babe. Look at my thighs, look at my booty, look at my face. Oh my god, I'm wearing heels, so you guys see me is going to be a problem, but this is me. Yeah, by the way, you guys can't give a communicate that in the comments. I'm a little bit mad about it because you guys are my people and you don't interact with me. Please do that. And I'm gonna go now. I'll share a few snippets of me in 267 and love you guys. Bye.
Hey, I'll make it like that, baby, who's on my corner, yeah? I can hear you, let's go, 1, 2, 3, hey!